Welcome back, children. Let us continue from where we left in the previous class. Bhujaba felt as if he were tumbling down the stairs. That's where we stopped in the previous class. As they started coming down the wooden stairs, Bhujaba Patil and others started feeling as if they were tumbling or rolling down the stairs. That's because of that giddiness or unease with which they were suffering when they started looking at the smiling faces, beautiful house, everything. They were jealous now. They eyed one another as if to say, this untouchable worm has got a swollen head. He needs proper handling. As they started coming down, they eyed one another. Means what? They looked at one another. They eyed one another means they looked at one another as if to say, they did not say anything, but their eyes only spoke. What is that? This untouchable worm has got a swollen head. They did not speak out these words. As if to say, means as if they were thinking to themselves, what is that they were thinking? This untouchable worm. You see, who is that untouchable worm mentioned here? Bayaji, yes. See, Bayaji is referred to as an untouchable worm. Worm is a creature, an insect. And Bayaji, the Dalit, is compared to an insect here. This untouchable worm has got a swollen head. He has become headstrong. He has become very proud now. He needs proper handling. This fellow needs some good handling, proper handling. Like that, as if to say, they looked at one another. Bayaji fed all his guests with a meal of shira and puris. Shira is a kind of halwa. I think children, you know it is a sweet. Bayaji fed all his guests with a meal of shira and puris. Puris were served, a kind of halwa was served for the guests by Bayaji. Along with betel nuts, items of gossip rolled over their tongues and the session of social devotional songs began. Along with the betel nuts, the betel nut means wakapodi, betel nut powder. They started chewing. Once they completed eating the shira and puris, the guests started biting the betel nuts. Along with the betel nuts, items of gossip. What's the meaning of gossip? Any remarks or stories or informal talks about others' private lives are known as gossips. You know, might have seen or heard several gossips there nowadays going on in the social media. This particular heroine married that particular person, like that. It's only a gossip. There is no proof to it. Simply they go on gossiping. When we start talking or making stories or creating stories about others' private lives, it is called gossiping. So gossiping also rolled over their tongues along with the betel nuts. And then the session of social devotional songs began. And now the music troops which were invited to the ceremonial function of housewarming ceremony, they started their session. Among the bhajan singers, Kalekar Papu Master has a superior voice. Among the bhajan singers, there were many troops who came there. Among bhajan singers, he is the best one. He has got a superior voice. Who is that? Kalekar Bapu Master. Kadgaonkar Buva was better at classical singing. Bhajan singing is different, classical singing is different. This Kadgaonkar Buva was better at classical singing. Devotional songs were sung in praise of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar and Lord Buddha. And these devotional singers started singing songs in praise of Lord Buddha and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. People swayed their heads. Generally, when you start listening to the music, you start swaying your head. Swayed means moved the head like this. In appreciation, as the program gathered momentum, means speed. As the program of music started slowly gaining its momentum, people started swaying their heads like this, enjoying the ambience, wonderful music. Singing of bhajans. It was 2 o'clock in the morning. Means late after midnight, 2 o'clock. Bayaji was strutting about in the panel. Strut about is a phrasal verb, which means to walk proudly with head up like this. He was just walking, strutting about the pandal like this with his head up proudly. That's what it's called, strutting up. He was strutting about in the pandal. He sat down by a guest now and then. When now and then he was sitting by a guest, asking about his welfare, inquiring his welfare, and then getting up and again strutting about. Small children, unable to resist sleep, had dropped off like bundles of rags. So small children generally, they cannot resist sleep. They go to bed very quickly. They go to sleep very quickly. They had dropped off. Means they went into sleep just like bundles of rags in their mothers or sometimes their father's laps. They started sleeping like bundles of rags. Rags means old torn clothes generally are called rags. Just like rags of clothes, they just dropped off. Women sat in the front veranda. Bayaji's children were busy preparing tea for a second round, because generally it is the time that people start feeling sleepy. Bayaji's children, his sons started preparing tea for another round, second round. They had put tea powder and sugar into a pot on a trenched stove. A trenched stove means a stove which is kept over a very deep, long, deep pit, over which they keep the things there in that, and then they light the fire. That becomes a trenched stove. They put tea powder and sugar into a pot on a trenched stove and waited for the water to boil. The bhajan was in full swing. The bhajan was now renting the air in full swing now. What is that? I had a dream at night and my heart was full of feeling, went the line. Went the line means what? What actually was going on? There was a particular line that was being sung there, that is given there. I had a dream at night and my heart was full of feeling. Like that the line went on. The group advanced from baseless devotionals, like from the east came a horde of ghosts, each one with 7 heads, to social devotionals. The group means this particular music group advanced from baseless devotionals, normal devotionals, like from the east came, they started singing a particular baseless devotional like this. They started like this. From the east came a horde of ghosts. Horde means a large number of people, but here a large number of ghosts. From the east came a horde of ghosts, each one with 7 heads. Each ghost has how many heads? 7 heads. Like that, from baseless devotional to social devotionals, they started singing. Social devotionals means devotionals sung in praise of the great people in the society, their society, like Bhimrao Ambedkar, Jyotiba Phule, Lord Buddha. Kalekar Bapu Master's powerful voice rose up. Now suddenly, Kalekar Bapu Master, as I told you, he has a superior voice. Suddenly his powerful voice rose up. Take to heart the sweet advice of Bhimaraya and bow down to Buddha for the emancipation of the whole world. What is the meaning of that devotional song that Kalekar Bapu Master's powerful voice was giving? Take to heart. What do you mean by the phrasal verb take to heart? Idiom, of course. Take to heart, take something to heart means take something seriously. Take to heart means, my dear people, he was telling the audience there through the song, take to heart the sweet advice of Bhimaraya, means Bhimrao Ambedkar, and bow down to Buddha. You just worship Buddha for the emancipation of the whole world. Emancipation means setting free. For the freedom, emancipation means freedom. For the freedom of the whole world, you bow before the Lord Buddha. And you take seriously the advice of Bhimaraya. then you will feel a lot of freedom in this world. Like that he was singing. I fly to the refuge of Lord Buddha. I fly to the refuge of the faith. I fly to the refuge of the faithful. I fly to the refuge. Refuge means what? Shelter, protection. I fly to the protection of the Lord Buddha. I fly to the refuge or shelter of Lord Buddha. I don't feel any fear there. I fly to the refuge of the faith. The faith means what? Belief. I fly to the refuge or shelter or protection of the faith. Faith means belief. Belief in what? In the religion that we have adopted, Buddhism. I fly to the refuge of the Buddha. I fly to the refuge of the faith. I fly to the refuge of the faithful. Faithful means people who really believe in that faith or religion called Buddhism. They are called the faithfuls. So I fly to the refuge of the faithfuls. That means I fly to the place where all the people who believe in Buddhism or in this faith reside or live. I fly to that refuge because that gives a lot of protection to me. Like that the song went on. The song rent the air. Rent means filled. That song like that Kalekar Bapu Master was singing with his powerful voice was renting the air, was filling the air, filling it with joy. Everywhere around the voice was filling joy everywhere around. And then the undreamt of incident took place. And then totally undreamt of, unexpected incident took place. What happened? Let us see. Bayaji's new house had caught fire from all sides. That is the undreamt of incident that took place there. Bayaji's new house had caught fire from all sides. It had suddenly flared up. Means what? It had flare up means a sudden starting of fire is called flare up. The fire had suddenly started. The women folk in the front veranda screamed in confusion. The women who were sitting in the front veranda, as we told you earlier, they started screaming, shouting in confusion. The guests stood up swiftly and began to pull out the women like a herd of cattle. The men, hearing their screams, suddenly they started pulling their women folk like a herd of cattle out of the panel. Now the entire house was on fire. Bayaji was frantic. He ran around crying, "My house, my storied house, it's on fire. My enemy has taken revenge on me." Bayaji was frantic. He was anxious, worried. He ran around the house crying. What was he crying? Here crying means shouting. Shouting and crying both together. He was, "My house, my storied house." He started crying. "It's on fire. My house is on fire. My enemy has taken revenge on me." Here, that his enemy is none other than the upper caste people. My enemy has taken revenge on me. He entered the roaring flames now. The flames were roaring everywhere, rising rapidly in intensity, and he entered the flames, crying, "My house, my house." He climbed up, pulled the pictures of Buddha and Baba Sahib from the walls and hurled them down. He went up the stairs. You remember, children, that first floor was wooden flooring. It had wooden flooring. So he got up, and we already told you that the walls of that first floor room, the loft light structure were hung with the pictures, framed pictures of Lord Buddha, Ambedkar and others. And he went up the stairs, pulled the framed pictures on the floor from the walls and hurled them down. Throw them down with force. Hurl them down means throw down with force. As he was about to come down the stairs, it crumbled down in flames. And after hurling the framed pictures of Buddha and Ambedkar, when he started coming down, the wooden frame upper floor collapsed. The wooden staircase collapsed first. Now he was caught on the roof. He could not come down because the staircase collapsed. As he was about to come down the stairs, it crumbled down in flames. People pulled up water from a nearby well to put out the dreadful fire, but it could not be easily contained. And people everywhere around started pulling up water from a nearby well in buckets to put out the dreadful fire. Put out means to douse. But it could not be easily contained. The fire could not be contained because it caught fire from all the sides. If it is from one side, they could have easily put out the fire. But the house caught fire from all the sides at a time. Bayaji, jump down, quick, jump. People shouted. People started shouting, Bayaji, come down, jump. Women and children were crying and screaming. Now that the staircase had collapsed, no one could go up. To bring Bayaji down, no one could go up because the staircase had collapsed already. Scorched in the flames, means burnt in the flames, Bayaji ran around like a trapped creature, howling all the time, my house, my house. He was burnt in the flames, scorched in the flames. Bayaji ran around like a trapped creature, a creature which was trapped in a fire. Like that he started running around because he could not come down. There was no staircase. He had to jump from there. Like a trapped creature, a creature which was trapped in a net by a hunter. Bayaji ran around there, howling, means shouting all the time, my house, my house. Yes. Okay, children, we will continue this remaining part in the next class. Thank you.